Hello everyone. Today we will talk about app exclusive discount feature of Shopney mobile app. Well, before we start learning how to set it up, let's first talk about what is the app exclusive discount and what good does it serve, right? All right. As clear as it sounds, app exclusive discount basically allows you to create discount codes which are applicable only on your mobile app and not on your website, which eventually will allow you to will build up to your app promotional strategies and help you improve your app installs, get faster installs, get higher app traffic, and eventually improve your retention and conversion rates. And how do we set it up? On your Shopney dashboard, under the Showcase section, you have this left-hand menu where you see all the available design elements that we offer based on your plan. App exclusive discount luckily is available on all our plans, and all you need to do is just dragging and dropping it right onto the main Showcase section area wherever you want it to be placed at. Once you do that, it will automatically open up a left-hand menu where you can edit that specific element. And starting with our customer code, my code is app20. As I write that, I see it is generating the Shopify code on my screen. And what I need to do to activate my customer code, which is the code that will be available to use only on the app, to make sure it's working on my app, I need to make sure to create the actual Shopify code on my Shopify admin panel. So to do that, I'm copying this code by clicking here, and now I click on Create Discount on Shopify button, and it's taken me directly to the Create Product Discount page on my Shopify admin. The discount code is the one that was automatically generated. I had already copied that, so I'm pasting it here, and what I'll do is I'll set up my discount values. It is chosen as specific collections. So what I'll do is basically I will choose any collection that I want this discount to be applied on. Clicking on add, you see all these collections are now being affected by this discount code. You may want to set up a minimum purchase requirements. This is totally up to you. This is a regular discount setup, default setup management on Shopify, and nothing specific or special for the app. So it is once again totally up to you and your decision in the business. So moving on, you would see the customer eligibility settings, the maximum discount users, which is actually important. So you may want to limit the use of this app exclusive discount to one use per customer in some cases. Let's say you are offering the code as a triggering app installation a strategy, right? So you want to drive new installs to the app. You are in the early launch period. You may want to limit it per customer so it is not exploited, right? It is not used more than once per the same account. You would also have combinations, so you may want to combine it with other discounts on your store, and you set the active dates and click on Save Discount, and that's it. I go back to my showcase. I now have the discount code already created on Shopify and I'm moving on with setting up my elements in terms of the design. So what I'll do is I will add a discount image. I will actually hide the title to give it a more proper look. You also have some further options to, play with the display type of the images. I already have mine uploaded, and the display type is as auto. You have some further content title positioning. If you have the content title and you want them to be shown, you would need to choose it as either inner or outer. This one does not have one, so I'm choosing it as hidden. And that's it. You have some further options to, such as enabling margin, once again serving to your own taste in design. I will keep it up for my app showcase, and I'm actually done. Going up and making sure to click on save and update, and that's it. No further updates will be required to have this activated on the app. This is already live as soon as you activate it on your dashboard. If you have any further questions about this or need any help with anything else, please feel free to contact us. We'll be at 24/7. We're available 24/7. Thank you so much and have a great day.